What time is it? Technology time. That's right. It's technology time. And I'm your host, Buck the Channel Guy Wright. And in this episode, we're brought to you live in the Technology Time studio, where we have a very special treat for you. We're going to answer a mail-in question from a viewer such as yourself. And it just so happens we have that mail-in question right here. So let's get started. And they write, "Dear Channel Guy, longtime fan of the show, first-time writer. I've heard great things about PowerStore and how Dell Technologies has done it again and redefined the storage industry. Can you provide a 3-minute summary of why this is? Signed, a longtime fan of the show." Absolutely. But first, longtime fan of the show, let me start by thanking you, one, for your question, and two, for your viewership. Not only is your viewership important to me, but it's also very important to our sponsors of the show, like #ChannelJuice, the official juice drink of the Dell Technologies channel. Now let's talk about PowerStore. And you're absolutely right. Dell Technologies has done it again, and PowerStore is redefining the storage industry. And it's the perfect solution for anyone looking for that mid-range storage option. But who's really finding value in it? It's those customers that are looking for a data-centric, intelligent, and adaptable solution. And I want to get into each one of these individually. So let's start with data-centric. What do I mean by this? Well, it runs any workload. For example, block, file, vvols. It scales up by adding more drives and out by adding more controllers, making it designed for 6 nines of availability. It meets any performance requirement with active, end-to-end NVMe controllers, and it runs either on flash or SCM media. This results in 7 times faster and 3 times less latency than previous generation mid-range solutions. And its superior inline 4-to-1 data reduction makes it the most efficient platform in the market. Sounds great, right? But there's more. It's intelligent. What do I mean by this? I mean that it's programmable. You can automate many of the storage provisioning processes, eliminating manual steps and the associated risk. It is autonomous. It discovers new appliances automatically with the highest system utilization, leveraging our machine learning algorithm, allowing admins to spend 99% less time managing it. And the proactive health analytics are off the charts. It anticipates business needs and potential risks with a single pane of glass, allowing for PowerStore to spot issues 16 times faster. And finally, it's adaptable. This means that it utilizes our flexible container-based architecture, allowing for faster innovation by integrating new features non-disruptively to deliver consistent services. For example, it is the first storage solution to be able to run applications directly on the array, which at Dell Technologies we've coined as apps on. And it's incredibly flexible with the ability to have a 2U footprint at the edge or integrate with all of the public clouds, delivering seamless application mobility from the edge to the core to the cloud, leveraging VCF. And data migrations to PowerStore are simple and easy. Why? Because they're completely automated. And finally, in true Dell Technologies fashion, there's flexible consumption options where there's pay-per-use financial models backed by our future-proof, industry-leading storage loyalty program. And once you're on this PowerStore platform, there's no migrations with non-disruptive controller swaps allowing for anytime upgrades. So data-centric, intelligent, and adaptable. That's PowerStore for you in 3 minutes or less. Thanks for watching this episode of Technology Time, and this is Buck the Channel Guy Wright, signing off.